Hi there. In this video, we are going to explore the dataset that we talked about in the previous lectures. In this dataset, there are four columns: study hours, marks in previous grade, class performance, and marks scored. This dataset contains the information of each student in a class. It can be interpreted as if we see each row, like this row, it contains data of one student. There is a student who study 3 hours a day and his marks in previous grade were 72% and class performance is 7.2 and he scored 75% in his annual exams. Same, each row contain data of one student. So how many students do we have? Total 8 students. From here to here, there are total 8 students, and each row represent a student that can be also called as data point. So there are 8 data points in our data set and with the 4 columns. Now to train a model on this dataset, we have to specify features and labels because building a machine learning model requires the information what you want to predict. So for that, we are going to specify what we want to predict. For this, we suppose that we are going to predict the marks scored because this seems logical. We are going to predict marks scored, annual marks in our coming machine learning model. And these predictions will be based on these three columns. What will happen? Our model will learn from these three columns, this, these data points, these all, and these. Our model will learn from these data point, each data point, and then it will become able to predict on any unseen data. So that's the logic we are going to use. We have scored marks as our label, and all the other features and all the other columns are our features. These three features: study hours and marks in previous grade and class performance. These are the features on the basis of which we are going to predict marks scored.